It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today we are making our own pizza from the scratch. Okay, so let's go. In a bowl I add some warm water, sugar, salt to taste, and some yeast. Please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out. Okay, so now we stir and then we add our flour. So I'm using soft flour, but the best to use is the hard flour. Okay, I had the soft flour available, so that is what I used. So you stir. So we have our dough here, so we're gonna knead till we arrive at the right texture that we want. So after kneading, we are gonna cover it for it to rise for about 30 to 1 hour. Okay, yes. So I sprinkle some little oil in the bowl, then I'll put in my dough so it doesn't stick. So now these are the ingredients I'll be using for my topping: green pepper, pineapple, sausages, onions, and then I have some minced meat here. So I'm gonna season my minced meat a little, and then we are gonna start with the assembling of the toppings on our pizza. Just see and look at how simple it is to make your own pizza at home. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. God bless you, and let's keep the subscriptions, the likes, and the comments coming. Okay, so now you can see our pizza dough rise beautifully. So we're gonna deflate this and then knead, and then start with the toppings. So over here is my pizza pan. So I spread my dough in it, and then I add my ketchup as a pizza sauce. Spread it beautifully here. Then I start with some mozzarella cheese, onions, green pepper. I add my minced meat, sausages, pineapples, and add more mozzarella cheese. Family, you can choose to use any topping of your choice. Okay, whatever you like to be a topping on your pizza, you can use it. And just look at this, our homemade pizza is ready. Can you imagine that we made pizza at home? You will stop buying pizza after trying this. Okay, so now we are set. So we're gonna put this in the oven for just 20 to 25 minutes in a heat of about 180 degrees Celsius. And just look at that, beautiful, in it. Everybody was asking for more. Family, please follow the step-by-step recipe and make some pizza at home, and your family, they are gonna enjoy. Okay, if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Okay, thank you and see ya. Bye family.